Hello friends, welcome to Brain Scoop channel. This is my new video and our today's topic is Digital Subtraction Angiography or DSA. What is angio? Angio means blood vessel and angiography is the radiological study of blood vessel in the body after the introduction of iodinated contrast media. And why the word subtraction is used here? It is simply a technique by which bone structures images are subtracted or cancelled out from a film of bones plus ossified vessels, leaving an unobscured image of the vessel. What do you mean by DSA? The acquisition of digital fluoroscopic images combined with the injection of contrast material and real-time subtraction of pre- and post-contrast images to perform angiography is referred to as digital subtraction angiography. History. The Portuguese neurologist Erasmus, Nobel Prize winner in 1949, in 1927 developed the technique of contrast X-ray cerebral angiography to diagnose diseases such as tumors and arteriovenous malfunctions. The idea of subtraction images was first proposed by the Dutch radiologist Gilles de Plantes in 1935 when he was able to produce subtracted images using plain films. With the introduction of Cylindrical technique in 1953, the procedure became safer as no sharp devices need to remain inside the vascular lumen. Historical developments. Conventional subtraction technique. Photographic method used to eliminate unwanted images. No addition of information, only purpose to make diagnostically important information to see. First described by a Dutch radiologist Gilles de Plantes in 1935, and there were three conditions, that was the scout film, angiogram film contrast, and no motion of head. The principles of subtraction are based on the following. The scout film shows the structural details of the skull and the adjacent soft tissue. Angiogram film shows exactly the same anatomic details if the patient does not move, plus the ossified blood vessels. If all the information in the scout film could be subtracted from the angiograph film, only the pacified vessel pattern would remain visible. This is the DSA machine, which is generally a C-arm machine. Indications of DSA. The first one is they are divided into two types. The first one is diagnostic and the second one is therapeutic. In diagnostic, no traumatic subarachnoid hemorrhage, then arterial dissection or laceration, aneurysm, pseudoaneurysm, thrombosis, arteriovenous malfunction, arteriovenous fistula, and tumor vascularity. In therapeutic, there are embolization, stenting, thrombolysis, and thrombectomy. Contraindications. No absolute contraindication. Poor renal reserve due to the contrast used, dearranged coagulogram, and allergic to contrast media. What is the contrast media we are talking about? Blood vessels are not normally seen in X-ray image because of low tissue contrast. To increase image contrast, contrast agents, which are dense fluids with elements of high atomic numbers such as iodine, are injected into the blood vessel during angiography. Because of its higher density and high atomic number, iodine absorbs photons more than blood and tissues. This creates detailed images of the blood vessels in real time. The first contrast media used for the vascular injection are called high osmolar contrast medium or media, that is known as HOCM. Osmolarity. What is osmolarity? It is a measure of the particle concentration in a solution. HOCM, that is high osmolar contrast medium, has osmolarity 7 to 8 times higher than the plasma. The high osmolarity causes the adverse effects such as pain, endothelial damage, thrombosis, and increased pressure in the pulmonary circulation. Low osmolar contrast medium, that is LOCM, were first developed in 1970s, and these help to reduce the side effects. One of the major risks of modern iodine contrast media is an allergic reaction to iodine. Non-ionic iso-osmolar contrast media is used. 30 to 40% dilution with the normal saline. 50 ml of diluted contrast media is enough to do a standard cerebral angiogram with total 8 projections. Approx 8 5 to 8 ml diluted contrast injection. Materials used in DSA are, first one is the catheters, arterial sheath, Medicut, guide wires, contrast, connector, surgical blade, saline, disposable syringes, local anesthesia, heparin, surgical gloves and elastoplast. There are the several types of catheters used in DSA, some of which are as follows. The first one is the Picard, Pigtail, SIM1 and etc. Preparation. Firstly, the patient should given an appointment time and he should be instructed to be nil orally 4 to 6 hours before the examination. The material should be on trolley. The patient should change into a hospital gown with the part prepared as the groin area shape. Then records of the patient should be asked. The patient should be informed about the procedure. He should be well hydrated. The patient should void before the procedure. Peripheral pulses marked, IV line in place and informed consent about the procedure should be taken. Procedure. Gaining arterial access. First we have to gain the arterial access. Then selective arterial catheterization. Then image acquisition takes place. Closure of the arterial access. Post-processing and hard copy. During angiography, patients may be sedated to reduce anxiety. Their heart rate and the rhythm, breathing and oxygen saturation are monitored throughout the procedure. Patient clean drap. A local anesthesia is usually used in the area where the catheter is to be inserted, most commonly the femoral artery. First, a small incision given. Medicut is inserted into the artery. Fluoroscopy is used to guide the needle to the proper position. The needle is then removed after placing guide wire in the artery and vascular sheath is inserted over the guide wire. The catheter is then inserted along the guide wire through the sheath. When the catheter is in correct position, the wire is pulled out and dye is injected through the catheter. Images are required during contrast injection. Injections can be made directly into the artery of the interest. Complications from an arteriogram are very rare, but there are some risks. Most problems that occurs can be detected at the time of the procedure or immediately after the procedure. The artery may be injured at the puncture site or along the artery where the catheter is passed. What are the complications in DSA? 16% major complication rate. Then local complications are hematoma, vessel laceration, dissection, pseudoaneurysm, AV fistula. Systemic complications are contrast reactions, fever, sepsis, dehydrations and death. And CNS, that is the central nervous system complications, are aggravations of pre-existing complaints, neurological deficit. Principle: blood vessels are not normally seen in X-ray image because of low contrast. Dense fluid with high atomic numbers increase the contrast, for example iodine. Iodine absorbs photons more than blood and tissue. The first contrast medium used for the intravascular injection was called the high osmolar contrast medium. Post-procedural care. After the catheter is removed, compression is applied to the puncture site. The patient is asked for bed rest for minimum of 4 hours. During rest, patient is monitored and vital signs like peripheral pulse, like distal to puncture, are regularly checked. The extremity is also checked for warmth, color, lumpness to ensure circulation has not been disrupted. This is all for today. If you like this video, please comment and share, and do suggest me another topic for making such interesting videos, and do subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates. Thank you.